Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where 2 to the power x plus x is equal to 6. Okay, or taking this positive x to right side we will get 2 to the power x is equal to 6 minus x, or now changing side we can write here 6 minus x is equal to 2 to the power x, or now divided both sides by 2 to the power x we can write here 6 minus x over 2 to the power x is equal to 2 to the power x over 2 to the power x, or now we can write here 6 minus x times 2 to the power negative x is equal to 2x, cancel out 2x, so here we will get 1, or here we want to use Lambert W function. We know that the Lambert W function W of a times e to the power a is equal to a. So here is 6 minus x. So we need this exponent is 6 minus x. So multiplying both sides by 2 to the power 6 we can write here 6 minus x times 2 to the power negative x times 2 to the power 6 is equal to 1 times 2 to the power 6, or 6 minus x times 2 to the power, here we will get 6 minus x is equal to 1 times 2 to the power 6 is 2 to the power 6. Now we need e. Now we know that e to the power ln of a is equal to a. So these two can be written as e to the power ln of 2. Okay, or 6 minus x. Now here we can write e to the power ln of 2 times 6 minus x is equal to 2 to the power 6. Or now multiplying both sides by ln of 2 we can write here ln of 2 times 6 minus x times e to the power ln of 2 times 6 minus x is equal to ln of 2 times 2 to the power 6, or ln of 2 times 6 minus x times e to the power ln of 2 times 6 minus x is equal to ln of 2 times, now 2 to the power 6 can be written as 2 to the power 4 times 2 square, or ln of 2 times 6 minus x times e to the power ln of 2 times 6 minus x is equal to ln of 2 times 2 square, that means 4 times 2 to the power 4, or ln of 2 times 6 minus x times e to the power ln of 2 times 6 minus x is equal to, now we can write here 4 ln of 2 times, this 2 can be written as ln of e to the power ln of 2 to the power 4. Okay, or ln of 2 times 6 minus x times e to the power ln of 2 times 6 minus x is equal to 4 ln of 2 times e to the power 4 ln of 2. Now take now we can take lambda w function on both sides. We can write here w of ln of 2 times 6 minus x times e to the power ln of 2 times 6 minus x is equal to w of 4 times ln of 2 times e to the power 4 times ln of 2. Okay, so here we will get ln of 2 times 6 minus x is equal to 4 ln of 2. Now this ln of 2 cancel out this ln of 2. So here we will get 6 minus x is equal to 4, or now x is equal to 6 minus 4. So finally we will get x is equal to 2, and it is our final answer. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.